We're counting down the top 10 biggest and most powerful earth-moving scrapers that are redefining construction in 2026. From agile machines built for tight city jobs to jaw-dropping behemoths capable of moving over 150,000 pounds of earth in a single cycle. These innovative giants combine raw horsepower, cutting-edge controls, and record-breaking capacity. Which model stands at the absolute pinnacle? Let's dig in, starting with number 10. Number 10 on the countdown is the John Deere 2410E, a compact scraper built for jobs where space is at a premium. Designed for tight residential projects and busy road-widening sites, the 2410E stands out for its self-loading ability. Operators can fill the bowl without the need for a push tractor, speeding up cycles and reducing labor costs. The electronic controls in the E-Series bring a new level of precision, letting operators fine-tune the cut and load with just a few joystick movements. This attention to control means less material is wasted, and every pass counts. Fuel efficiency is a core feature. Engine management systems adjust power output based on load and terrain, keeping operating costs low even on long days. The 2410E's compact frame allows it to slip into spaces where larger scrapers cannot maneuver, making it a favorite for contractors working in urban environments or constrained sites. Its versatility does not come at the expense of performance. The E-Series maintains steady productivity, moving earth quickly while minimizing downtime. Maintenance is simplified with easy access panels and diagnostics, so fleet managers can keep machines running with minimal interruption. If you love seeing the world's biggest construction machines in action, like and subscribe to Construction Legends for more incredible content. Caterpillar's 621K earns its place as the reliable workhorse of scraper fleets worldwide. This mid-capacity machine is powered by a Cat C13 engine, delivering steady performance across countless job sites. The 621K's reputation is not built on flash, but on uptime and dependability. Rental companies and major contractors rely on it for one simple reason: it keeps working day after day with minimal fuss. The cab is ROPS certified for safety and designed with wide glass panels, giving operators clear visibility even in crowded site conditions. Maintenance was a key priority in the 621K's design. Large side panels and grouped service points mean technicians can access critical systems quickly, reducing downtime between shifts. Push-pull loading capability sets the 621K apart on larger sites, where teams of scrapers work together to fill bowls faster. This system lets two machines connect nose to tail, boosting productivity when moving heavy, sticky soils. The 621K's balance of size and strength makes it a top pick for everything from highway grading to landfill expansion. Its popularity in rental fleets reflects a simple truth: when a machine is easy to run, easy to fix, and always ready to work, it becomes the backbone of modern earth-moving. Each hour the 621K spends on the job translates to real progress, whether building new roads, shaping industrial parks, or supporting emergency repairs after storms. The 621K proves that in earth-moving, reliability is as powerful as raw horsepower. Number 8 on the list brings a heavy hitter from the world of pull-type scrapers, the K-Tec 1237 ADT. With a massive 37 cubic yard bowl, this machine is all about moving serious material in tough environments. Instead of a self-propelled design, the 1237 ADT is built to be hauled by a powerful articulated dump truck or a high-horsepower tractor, making it a flexible choice for contractors who already have a fleet of heavy haulers on site. The heart of its design is the innovative ejector system. Instead of relying on gravity or a tilting bowl, dual hydraulic cylinders push every last bit of material out, leaving nothing behind. That is a big deal in mining and quarry operations, where even a small amount of leftover dirt can mean lost profit over thousands of cycles. The 1237's heavy-duty construction stands up to the harshest conditions: rocky quarries, sticky clay pits, and uneven terrain that would stop lighter machines in their tracks. Operators praise the smooth ride and stable handling, even when fully loaded. The articulated chassis allows the scraper to follow the tractor's lead through tight turns and steep grades, keeping productivity high no matter the landscape. For projects where every yard counts, like mine reclamation or large-scale site preparation, the K-Tec 1237 ADT delivers reliability and efficiency. The ejector system not only speeds up unloading, but also reduces the need for manual cleanup, saving time and labor. Over a long project, that efficiency adds up fast. In an industry where uptime and load counts drive profit, the K-Tec 1237 ADT proves that brute strength and smart engineering can go hand in hand. Don't miss out on more epic earth-moving equipment videos. Hit that like button and subscribe to Construction Legends right now. John Deere's 2412E brings a step up in capacity and technology for crews tackling municipal and county road projects. Designed for operators who need more than the compact 2410E, the 2412E delivers extra volume with every load, making it a favorite for mid-sized earth-moving tasks. Its self-loading feature stands out, allowing a single operator to cut, collect, and haul material without outside help. This independence speeds up the workflow and reduces the need for extra machines on site. Electronic fuel management is built into the E-Series, automatically adjusting power output for the job at hand. The result is less fuel wasted and more material moved for every gallon burned. Operators benefit from smooth hydraulic controls that respond instantly to the joystick, letting them fine-tune the blade height and load angle with precision. This level of control is especially useful on projects where roadbeds or embankments need to be shaped to exact standards. Maintenance is designed to be straightforward, with key service points grouped together for quick checks and repairs. Fleet managers appreciate the 2412E's reliability as it spends less time in the shop and more time moving dirt. The machine's mid-range size makes it versatile, able to handle both tight job sites and larger open stretches. In an era where efficiency and uptime drive profits, the John Deere 2412E stands out as a practical choice for contractors who need a little more muscle without sacrificing maneuverability. Breaking into the top 5, the John Deere 3012DH stands out as a self-loading titan built for large-scale site preparation. With a heaped capacity of 30 cubic yards, this scraper is engineered to handle demanding jobs where efficiency and speed are non-negotiable. The 3012DH is designed for direct hitch operation, which lets it pair seamlessly with high-horsepower tractors from John Deere's 9R, 9RT, and 9RX series. This integration lets a single operator cut, load, transport, and spread material without a separate push tractor, streamlining the entire earth-moving process. The double-height bowl is a signature feature, increasing the volume that can be moved per cycle without sacrificing stability. This design not only boosts capacity, but also helps keep the machine balanced, even when fully loaded, making it safer and more predictable to operate in challenging site conditions. Contractors working on projects with limited space appreciate how the 3012DH maneuvers around obstacles while still delivering the muscle needed for serious earth-moving. Maintenance is another area where the 3012DH shines. John Deere engineered quick access service points and grouped diagnostics so crews can perform routine checks and repairs with minimal downtime. Over the course of a long project, that reliability means more hours moving dirt and fewer hours spent in the shop. For fleet managers facing tight deadlines and strict budgets, the 3012DH offers a blend of high capacity, self-sufficiency, and durability that makes it a go-to choice for everything from industrial parks to new housing developments. Caterpillar's 637K stands at the intersection of power and precision, engineered for the kind of earth-moving that shapes airports, dams, and sprawling infrastructure projects. The twin-engine configuration is its calling card. With one engine driving the tractor and another powering the scraper, the 637K delivers a power-to-weight ratio that keeps both ends of the machine working in sync, even as it tackles soft ground or steep grades. Traction control technology senses wheel slip and automatically adjusts power distribution, letting the 637K keep moving when lesser machines would bog down. Automatic blade positioning is another leap forward. Instead of relying on operator instinct alone, the system uses sensors and electronic controls to set the blade at the optimal angle for each cut. That means faster loading, less strain on the machine, and a more consistent fill with every pass. Operators can focus on the haul and dump cycles, trusting the machine to handle the fine adjustments that save time and fuel. The 637K's bowl holds enough earth to make a real dent in a project's timeline. When paired with other scrapers in a fleet, it becomes part of a rolling assembly line, each machine shaving minutes off the cycle and moving thousands of cubic yards a day. Maintenance is streamlined with grouped service points and diagnostics, so crews can keep these giants running shift after shift. In an era where contractors face tight deadlines and rising costs, the 637K's blend of brute force and smart automation helps keep projects on track. Want to see more of the world's most powerful construction machines? Like this video and subscribe to Construction Legends. John Deere's 3812DH is a giant among earth movers, purpose-built for the biggest jobs in modern construction. With a heaped capacity of 38 cubic yards and a cutting width of 12 feet, this scraper is designed to move more material per pass than any other in John Deere's single-pan lineup. Its double-height bowl stands out, allowing operators to load massive amounts of earth while maintaining stability across uneven ground. The 3812DH pairs with high-horsepower tractors like the 9RX 710 or 770, harnessing up to 770 horsepower to cut, load, and haul with astonishing efficiency. On interstate highway projects and massive site developments, the 3812DH becomes the centerpiece of the earth-moving fleet. The wide cutting width means fewer passes to reach grade, saving hours on large-scale jobs. Operators benefit from advanced hydraulic controls that respond instantly, letting them adjust the blade and bowl with precision, even as soil conditions change. High flotation tires and optimized weight distribution keep the machine steady, reducing rutting and compaction in soft ground. Maintenance is fast and straightforward, with service points designed for quick access and minimal downtime. Fleet managers appreciate the reliability. These scrapers are built to run long hours, day after day, with minimal interruption. The 3812DH's robust frame and reinforced components are engineered to withstand the punishing demands of continuous heavy hauling. On projects where every minute and every yard count, this scraper delivers the capacity, speed, and endurance needed to keep mega projects on schedule and under budget. Are you amazed by these engineering marvels? Show your support by liking and subscribing to Construction Legends for weekly uploads. Caterpillar's 651 stands as a legend in the world of earth moving, combining brute capacity with the speed and automation demanded by today's mega projects. Reintroduced in 2021, this single-engine wheel tractor scraper features a 44 cubic yard heaped bowl, enough to move 52 tons in one cycle. The Cat C18 engine generates 585 horsepower, giving the 651 the muscle to load a full bowl in as little as 30 seconds under optimal conditions. For operators, the experience has been transformed by electro-hydraulic controls and an automated blade system. The machine's sensors measure soil resistance and adjust the blade angle automatically, ensuring each cut is at the ideal depth for maximum efficiency. This not only speeds up loading, it also reduces fuel waste and wear on the machine. Push-pull loading is built in, allowing teams of 6R51s to work nose to tail and fill bowls faster than ever before. The cab is designed for long hours, with a 21% larger interior, an air suspension seat, and advanced ride management that smooths out rough terrain. At full load, the 651 can reach speeds up to 56 kilometers per hour, keeping haul cycles short and productivity high. On major infrastructure projects across North America, fleets of 6R51s have become the backbone of grading and mass excavation, moving hundreds of thousands of cubic yards in record time. Every feature, from the automated controls to the rugged chassis, is engineered for one purpose: to keep material moving and deadlines on track. The 651 proves that in the race to reshape the landscape, speed and intelligence are just as important as raw power. Caterpillar's 657 takes earthmoving to another level with a dual-engine setup that delivers unmatched power and productivity for the world's largest construction projects. At the heart of the machine, a Cat C18 engine in the tractor generates 629 horsepower, while a second Cat C15 engine in the scraper adds 473 horsepower. That is a combined 1,102 horsepower, enough to push through heavy, sticky soils and climb steep grades without hesitation. The 657's bowl matches the legendary 651, holding 44 cubic yards, or 33.6 cubic meters, of material per load. On a single cycle, it can move over 104,000 pounds, 47,200 kilograms of earth, at a top speed of 56.1 kilometers per hour, even when fully loaded. Power is not the only story here. The 657's advanced traction control system automatically adjusts power to all wheels, keeping the machine stable and efficient in soft or uneven ground. The ejector system uses hydraulics to clear every bit of material from the bowl, so there is no wasted capacity and no extra cleanup. Operators benefit from an automatic transmission that selects the right gear for changing terrain, letting them focus on the haul while the machine handles the details. Inside the cab, Caterpillar's largest interior yet offers a comfortable ride, with air suspension seating and intuitive controls designed for long shifts on sprawling sites. These features make the 657 a favorite for mega dam construction, mine site development, and airport grading, anywhere that speed, power, and reliability are non-negotiable. With a price tag topping $2 million, it is an investment that pays off in productivity and uptime. For contractors facing the toughest deadlines and the biggest jobs, the Caterpillar 657 is the machine that keeps projects moving and earth flying. At number 10, the John Deere 2410E brings compact power to job sites where space and precision are everything. Designed for tight urban projects and residential developments, this scraper's self-loading capability lets a single operator cut, load, and haul without needing a push tractor. Electronic controls put every adjustment at the operator's fingertips. Blade height, bowl angle, and loading sequence all respond instantly to joystick input. That level of control means less wasted material and more consistent fills, even on short haul cycles. Fuel efficiency is built into the E-Series DNA. The 2410E's engine management system automatically matches power output to the job, conserving fuel on lighter cuts and ramping up when the bowl is full. Over a long day, these savings add up and keep operating costs low for contractors and fleet managers. The compact frame gives the 2410E an edge in crowded sites, maneuvering around obstacles and through narrow access points where larger scrapers cannot fit. Durability and uptime are priorities, Easy access panels and grouped service points make daily checks and routine maintenance quick, so the machine spends more time moving earth and less time in the shop. For contractors juggling tight schedules and limited space, the 2410E delivers reliable performance without sacrificing precision. It is proof that in the world of earth moving, sometimes the smartest solution is a machine that can do more with less. If you love seeing the world's biggest construction machines in action, like and subscribe to Construction Legends for more incredible content. Topping the list is the K-Tec 1263 ADT, a machine that redefines what is possible in earth moving. With a colossal 63 cubic yards heaped capacity, this scraper is built for one job, moving more material in fewer passes than anything else on the market. The 1263 ADT is not self-propelled. It is designed to be pulled by a 40-ton rock truck or a high-horsepower tractor, harnessing over 450 horsepower to tackle the most demanding haul roads and mining sites. The cutting width stretches to 14 feet, removing massive swaths of earth with each pass, and making it a favorite for mega mining operations in Australia and dam projects across North America. What sets the 1263 apart is its dual hydraulic ejector system. Instead of relying on gravity, twin cylinders push the entire load out in seconds, leaving the bowl completely clean and ready for the next cycle. This design means less downtime for manual cleanup and more time hauling material, translating to lower costs per cubic yard. The articulated frame allows the scraper to handle steep grades and rough terrain, while the bolt-together construction makes shipping and on-site maintenance straightforward, even in remote locations. For fleet managers, the numbers tell the story. A single 1263 can replace multiple smaller scrapers, slashing fuel consumption and operator hours. Field reports from Australian mines show monthly volumes over 1 million cubic yards, with uptime rates near 99%. Manufactured in Canada, the K-Tec 1263 ADT stands as the world's largest production scraper, representing the peak of modern earth-moving technology and efficiency. The story of earth-moving scrapers in 2026 is not just about brute force. It is about how technology, data, and design are transforming the way these giants work on the world's biggest projects. Modern scrapers have evolved far beyond simple mechanical machines. Today, telematics systems such as CAT Product Link and John Deere JD Link are standard across much of the top 10, giving fleet managers a real-time window into every aspect of their operation. These platforms track engine hours, fuel consumption, payloads, and even the number of cycles completed each day. For contractors running dozens of machines, that data means smarter scheduling, quicker maintenance, and the ability to spot small problems before they become costly breakdowns. Automation is making its mark, too. Caterpillar 651 and 657 models are equipped with advanced electro-hydraulic controls that automatically set the blade angle and bowl position based on soil resistance. The operator still guides the machine, but sensors and onboard computers handle the fine adjustments that keep productivity high and fuel use low. Sequence Assist technology, on models like the 621K, automates the steps of bowl lift, apron closure, and ejector sequencing, saving time on every load. John Deere's E-Series scrapers use electronic controls to optimize hydraulic and fuel systems, letting a single operator achieve precise cuts and fills without constant manual tweaks. Full autonomy remains just out of reach for scrapers, even as mining trucks and dozers begin to run driverless in controlled environments. The complexity of variable cut depths, changing soil conditions, and the need for human judgment keeps operators in the cab for now. But the groundwork is being laid. Predictive maintenance, GPS tracking, and automated blade systems are moving the industry closer to a future where scrapers not only move mountains, but do it with intelligence and efficiency that would have seemed impossible a decade ago. The countdown of the world's biggest scrapers is more than just a list of machines. It is a front-row seat to an industry in transformation. In 2026, the evolution of these giants is being driven by a wave of technology, reshaping how Earth gets moved on the largest projects. Telematics, once a luxury, has become the backbone of modern fleets. Systems like Cat Product Link and John Deere JD Link now stream real-time data from scraper to manager, tracking everything from fuel consumption to payload weights and engine hours. With dashboards showing live performance, fleet supervisors can spot inefficiencies, schedule maintenance before breakdowns, and compare productivity across job sites. Automation is making a visible impact, especially on the most advanced models. Caterpillar's 651 and 657 scrapers use electro-hydraulic controls and automated blade positioning to fine-tune cuts on the fly. Sensors measure soil resistance, adjusting the blade angle automatically for the fastest, most efficient loading. No guesswork, no wasted fuel. Operators still guide the machine, but the onboard technology handles the micro-adjustments that keep every cycle sharp and consistent. John Deere's E-Series scrapers use electronic controls to manage hydraulic and fuel systems, letting a single operator achieve precise results that once took a whole crew. Full autonomy remains a challenge. Scrapers work in constantly changing conditions. Variable cut depths, shifting soil, and complex site logistics mean the human touch is still essential. But every year, the gap closes a little more. Predictive maintenance, GPS tracking, and automated loading systems are laying the foundation for a future where these machines do not just move Earth, they think ahead, work smarter, and help crews deliver on tighter deadlines than ever before. Earthmoving in 2026 is a story of constant adaptation, where every job site demands the right balance of power, speed, and intelligence. The world's biggest scrapers are not just about moving dirt. They are about moving it smarter, faster, and with less waste than ever before. At the core of this evolution are the advanced telematics and automation systems now standard on leading models. Machines like the Caterpillar 651 and 657 rely on real-time data streaming from Cat Product Link, tracking everything from fuel use to payload weights and engine hours. This data is not just numbers on a screen. Fleet managers use it to compare productivity across jobs, schedule maintenance before breakdowns, and optimize routes to save time and fuel. John Deere's JD Link delivers similar insights for the E-Series and DH scrapers, giving supervisors a clear view of every machine's performance. Operators benefit too. Electronic controls and automated blade systems handle the fine adjustments, letting operators focus on the big picture. Features like Sequence Assist on Caterpillar models make the steps of bowl lift, apron closure, and ejector movement happen automatically, shaving seconds off every load cycle. The result is a job site where every pass, every haul, and every dump is tracked, analyzed, and improved. Even the largest pull-type scrapers, like the K-Tec 1263 ADT, are part of this connected world. While they rely on third-party telematics, these giants still feed vital stats back to the fleet, ensuring no machine is left out of the data-driven revolution. In this new era, Earthmoving is not just about horsepower or heaped capacity. It is about turning information into action, and action into progress. Beneath the steel and horsepower, the world's biggest scrapers are now powered by something less visible, but just as vital: data. In 2026, telematics platforms have become the silent backbone of every major earth-moving operation. Caterpillar Product Link and John Deere JD Link stream a constant flow of information from each machine, tracking fuel levels, engine hours, payloads, and even the number of cycles completed in a shift. Data fleet managers don't just rely on gut instinct. They watch dashboards fill with live stats, comparing performance across job sites and spotting problems before they can halt production. Dashboards. Predictive maintenance alerts flag worn components early, so a simple fix can be scheduled long before a breakdown threatens a critical deadline. Predictive automation is pushing boundaries too. The most advanced scrapers use electro-hydraulic controls that automatically adjust blade angles and bowl positions to match changing soil resistance. Operators still guide the machine, but sensors and onboard computers handle the micro-adjustments that keep every load consistent and efficient. Automation. On models like the Caterpillar 651 and 657, Sequence Assist technology automates the steps of bowl lift, apron closure, and ejector movement, shaving seconds off each cycle. These features don't just boost productivity, they reduce fuel waste and operator fatigue, turning every pass into a data-driven calculation. Efficiency. In this new era, the line between iron and intelligence is blurring, and the world's biggest scrapers are as smart as they are strong. Smart. Across all 10 scrapers, one pattern stands out. Size alone is not enough, and engineering now fuses brute force with precision control and smart automation. These machines do not just move dirt, they redefine how quickly and efficiently we can transform landscapes. Every breakthrough here sets a new pace for global infrastructure. In 2026, power is measured not just in tons, but in intelligence. Which scraper blew your mind? Drop your pick in the comments below.